Alright, so a little crash course in making an animated object, basics hard surface animated object in Blender using the FBX converter. We'll just make a kind of rough looking double door there, and we'll just, what's going on? There we go. Split that in two, choose one side and split those off, and then we'll just close up those holes. Alright, so there's your door. We're just going to call one right and we're going to call the other one left. So when it comes to adding your bones, just hit Shift A or go up to Add, and then you can add an armature in. Jump into edit mode and then move your bone around so it's somewhat in line with where you want your door axis to move. So, you know, somewhere like there. Shift A to add in more bones, and then just repeat the same process. Just kind of line them up. They don't, like, the length of them doesn't really matter, but, you know, just to make it nice, we can just kind of both line them in the middle there. Alright, so when it comes to parenting, what you want to do is, with the armature selected, jump into edit mode and then select a bone. And whichever bone you have selected in edit mode is what is the bone you'll be parenting to. So with your, actually we'll name our bones as well. So we'll call this one right, and then we'll call that one left. So with the right bone selected, jump out of edit mode, select the right door, select your armature, Control P, and then parent to bone. And if you jump into your object settings here on your door and open up relations, you can see it's parented to the armature, parent type is bone, and it's parented to the right bone. And then we'll do the same deal with the other one, so you have to select that left bone in edit mode, jump out of edit mode, and then parent that to the bone. And you can see there that the left door is now parented to the left bone. Alright, cool. So we'll jump over to animation, and it's fairly basic stuff. Open up your action editor, make a new action, call this open, move to 0, and then just keyframe that whole character, and then we'll just jump to 20, and we'll move those doors open a little bit, and then keyframe that whole thing there as well. Click on a new action and call this one close, and what we're going to do is we're just going to move those keyframes across 40 and then move them back 20. So now it's just the complete reverse animation. So you've got both of your open and close animations there. Alright, and then that's pretty much it. We're just going to throw a little basic material on. And jump into shading. We'll just plug in something. Something we've got lying around. So, and yeah, that grey one is pretty much what I use for most development stuff. So, throw your basic material on both of those. And as you can see here, the hierarchy you should have is your armature is your root node, and then you've got your left and right doors that both have the object data and the materials in them, and then your armature itself just has the left and right bones in it. Alright, cool. So then just select everything. We're just going to apply all of our transforms just in case, and then go File, Export and FBX, and then we're just going to throw this onto desktop. Call it door example. So selected objects, FBX all, so it exports in the correct scale. My forward, I like to have Y negative forward, and that should default your Z to up, which is the correct orientations you want while exporting. Then you can just go export to FBX, and that should be all done. So we're just going to close that, and then we're going to open up the NIF converter. So load in door example, FBX to NIF, and then have a look at what your door example looks like. And there it is. You can see you've got armature open and armature close, both your animations. You can click on that to loop between them both and just hit play, and that's your door opening and closing. Yeah, that's pretty much it.